Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome back to my channel. Happy day 7 of my dailies in August, and I have $12 today, and we're gonna see what we are gonna roll and what is gonna go towards my $1,000 savings for my freebie that I have on my Ko-fi for my 1,000th video on YouTube. How crazy is that? So I am gonna roll a D6, and I have $6 that will go towards that depending on what we roll, and $6 for my dailies. So if whatever we roll, we'll put in here, and the rest will go into the dailies. So let's see what we can roll today. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing well. You got a 4, okay. So now I am gonna take this out. I'm gonna color in a circle. That just represents a day. And we are gonna put $4 in here. We are actually gonna put a 10 in and take out $6. Because 4 and 6 is 10. Okay. So that means we have $8 going in. So that is pretty cool. So let's move our D6 out of the way. So we need $2 more because we already have our $6 in prop coin. So we have 51, 52. So we'll put $2 more in prop coins. We're gonna start at the 1 where my paper clip is. Let's get our money situated. Okay. And then this is $6 in with the 25, and then we have 50 cents in anything extra. That way I can kind of keep it separated. All right, so we will start here, and let's see what we get. 1 for 1, 2 for 2, 3 for 3. Whoops, I almost gave it 2. These prop coins and dashboards are from Kimmy at Kimmy's Corner. I will have her channel linked below, and I will have these probably linked in the YouTube shopping. It is available on her Etsy. 1 and 2. And I think by now our Wednesday video that we did together has been out, so let me know if you had a chance to see that. It was called Who You Know Wednesday, and we are doing all Jeanette's journey challenges because we both did a lot of shopping on her website, so we had plenty to do, and we probably will for the next 10 years. 1, 2, and 3. So we can go back to 1. I have 2 left. So 1's going to 1. 1 is going to 2, and we will start at number 3 tomorrow. Why is this so hard? Oh my gosh. There we go. All right. I'm just going to scoot that to the side. All right, so number 1 got $1, so 25, 50, 75, $1. And this is from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. So we have $1. I'm going to use a Sharpie on the laminated. So this is 50 cents. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can do 2 of these. There we go. We are getting closer on this super cute little tiny set. All right, number 2 got all 25 cents. So we have 25, 50, 75, $1, 25, and 50. So $1.50 coming in here. This is from LJ's Butterflies, Summer Vibes. She had some really cute fruit inspired ones. So we have $1.50, so 25, 50, 75, $1, 25, and 50. Yep. 75 more cents and this one will be done. We haven't gotten to any of the 50s yet, so it's a little weird. Oh no, they're all in the back. Okay, 25, 50, 75, $1, 25. I did put them in there, different spots. Okay, so each little star is 25 cents. So 25, 50, 75, $1, 25. Oh, we just finished this one. This one's mine. 50, 75, $1, 25. This one just saved us $6, and it is in free on my Ko-fi. And these are all done, so we can get a new one out, but we don't have anything to go into it. Let's see, I did add some things in here. What's back here? What did we just finish with one of mine? Oh, I see cupcakes. Yep, cupcakes or ice cream. Save with Judy. I promise it was mine. Oh. Okay, so we don't have anything to put in there, so we will not do anything. Okay. I really wanted to color a cupcake or ice cream. Okay, number 4. Okay, at least it got a 50 cents finally. Okay, so we have $1.25 in number 4. This one is one of mine, the 3rd. This is the 3rd. And we have $1.25. All right, I think that is everything. So we can put the 25s here and the 50 back here. Okay. So number 5 got $1. So we have 50, 25, and 25. And this is from Nicole at Savings Over 50. I think I already did the 50 cent spots. Yes. Okay, so we can do $1 in here. Perfect. And this is free on her Ko-fi. All right, and then number 6. All right, we have $1, 25, 50, 75, $2. So $2 going into number 6. And we did not need that much. This is from Danny at Craftco Budgets. So we needed 25, 50, 75. So these 3 are done. We finished Danny's. It says holidays. I think I'm going to put it to shark. Okay, and let's get a new one. There's the ice cream. Okay. Ooh. And I'm going to say B. And this is from, stop it. This is from Lisa at She Persisted Budgeting and Saving. This is from her really big B book. That's not what it's called. I have it here, but it's under a pile of things, and I'm afraid. So let's see. I think I'm going to make each one of these 50 cents. So we'd have $1, $2, $3, $4, $5. And we have, whoops, let's see if our yellow will show up. So we have 25, 50, 75, $1, and then 25. So you can kind of see that. All right. So yay for finishing a few. So let's put our 50. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. That's correct. So we'll put that back there. Go to the front. Put our prop coins in here. And then we need $2 and $6. Ooh, Apple TV's getting 6. I think we are so close to being done with Apple TV. I think we only maybe need one more challenge. So $6. So 5 and 1, and then 1 and 2 for that one. All right. Let's stuff this. So we have 50, 70, 95, 96, 97. We need $99. And it did cross my mind to steal that, but it's going to the shark binder. So $2 for the shark binder. That's not due until like next April, so we're good. So let's put our... Oh, that's our mystery cat. I was like, what is that? Why does it have money? Okay. Completed. Yes. Very cool. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. I really appreciate it. I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your day and see you tomorrow. Have a good night. Bye.